Hello student, good afternoon. How are you? Hope you are fine. And today we are here for our online class. And for class 6, today I am going to teach you about parallel lines and intersecting lines. Okay? Today in our class, yes, we learned about parallel lines. What type of lines are called parallel lines? And what type of lines are called intersecting lines? Okay? In previous class, we read about point, yes, lines, line segment, and about rays. I think you have completed your exercise also. So, all of you be ready with your book and let's learn about parallel line. Okay, before going in our chapter, I want to see this your book, your math book. Yes. Okay. Here we can see 4 lines. This line, yes, which goes up and down, and this line which goes left and right. Yes. You can see here. 2 line, this 2 line and this 2 line. Yes, and guess it. If you produce this line, yes, in both sides, these 2 line, can they meet? Yes. If you produce these 2 line, yes, like this, upside also and downside also, yes, then can they meet? No, yes. So these 2 edges of the books, they are parallel. They never meet if we produce these 2 edges, yes, in both sides, they never meet. They are called parallel edges. Same ways in line also, yes, you draw 2 lines. Yes, I have drawn here 2 lines. Yes, if you produce these 2 lines in both directions, yes, how much you can? If you produce these 2 lines, they never meet at a point. Yes, they never meet, so they are called parallel lines. This AB line, yes, AB line and MN line, they never meet at a point, so they are called parallel lines. AB line and MN line, they are parallel line, and its symbol is like this. Okay, and read this. AB is parallel to MN. AB and MN line are parallel. If 2 lines, yes, they never meet at a point, yes, when we produce on its both sides, they never meet, then they are called parallel lines. Okay, this edge of the whiteboard, yes, these 2 edges and that 2 edges, they also parallel. They also parallel to each other. Okay, so they are called parallel lines. Understand, students? Okay, and its opposite. Yes, these 2 lines, look, these 2 lines, they are parallel. Can you say me, these 2 lines are parallel or not? Yes, let's see. Yes, let's produce it in one side, in the one direction. Yes, this direction. Yes, I produce this line up to here, and this line produce it. Look, these 2 lines meet at a point. Yes, this line and this line, if you produce it and they meet at a point, they cross each other, so they are not parallel line. Yes, this line, let's name it PQ and XY. PQ and XY, they are not parallel line. they are not parallel. Then what are they? They are intersecting lines. These PQ and YX, they are called parallel lines. They are called intersecting lines. They are not parallel. They are intersecting lines because they two lines intersect each other. Yes, they intersect here. They meet at a point, so they are called intersecting line. Okay. If two lines they never meet each other, they are parallel lines. And if two lines they meet at a point, they are called intersecting lines. Yes, this PQ and XY are intersecting line. Yes, PQ and XY are intersecting line. If two lines they are meet at a point, they are called intersecting line. And if two lines they do not meet at a point, they are called parallel lines. Okay? Okay. So look your book again. This edge of book and this edge of book, they meet at this point. Yes, so these edges and these edges are intersecting line, and these two lines are intersect, yes, each other by making 90 degree. Yes or no? This book like this. Look, these edges and these edges. Yes? Yes, these two lines, AB line and BC line. AB line and BC line, they are intersecting line. AB line and BC line, they intersect each other by making 90 degree. So, this type of line are called perpendicular line. Yes, these two lines are called perpendicular lines. In your book there is mention about perpendicular lines. So we are reading here perpendicular lines. Okay, this AB and BC line are intersecting line. They are intersect each other, yes, by making 90 degree angle. So they are called perpendicular lines. Yes, these edges of your whiteboard also. Yes, this edge and this edge also, they meet at a point here making 90 degree. Yes, so they are also perpendicular lines. And how to denote a perpendicular line? AB is perpendicular to BC. Yes, if this symbol you see, then you can say there AB and BC are perpendicular line. It means that in BC line, this AB line make 90 degree. Okay, they are meeting at a point P by making 90 degree. So they are perpendicular lines. Okay, student. Once again, if two lines they never meet at a point, yes, they are called parallel lines. Okay, we can take the example, two edges of the road. Yes, they also never meet at a point. They are also parallel edges of the road. Yes, and these two edges of your whiteboard. Yes, these edges up and down and left and right, they are also parallel. So they are also never meet each other. Yes, they are called parallel lines. And the symbol of parallel lines is this. AB is parallel to MN. And one characteristic characteristic of this parallel line is the length of, yes, look here, the distance between this line, yes, they Okay, students. And the characteristic of perpendicular line, yes, they are intersecting line, yes. And how they intersect each other? By making 90 degree. AB and BC, they have to meet at a point. They have to intersect each other, yes, at a point, and there should be form a 90 degree. This type of intersecting line, they are not a perpendicular line. They are only intersecting lines. They are not perpendicular. Why? Because here not form a 90 degree angle. So they are not perpendicular lines. Okay? These type of lines, yes, XY line and MN line, they intersect each other at a point O. Yes, XY line and MN line, they intersect each other at point O and they form a 90 degree angle. So this is a perpendicular lines. Okay, students? Yes. MN QR. These two lines also meet at a point. They bisect each other. They intersect each other. Yes, meet at a point, but there is not form a 90 degree. So this is not a perpendicular line. That is only intersecting line. Okay, student, I think you understand. Okay, let's go in your homework. Your homework is exercise 1.2. You complete it, okay? If you have any confusion, then ask me. Exercise 1.2, do all. Okay? If you have any confusion, then you can ask me. Okay.